Day Wednesday, date 9th August 2023.
Good thought.
Today's good thought. Practice makes man perfect. Today's question. Where was Mahatma Gandhi born? My name is Shambhu. My mother's name is Vaishnavi. My father's name is Tukaram. I have Shivaji and Maloji, two brothers. There are 6 members in my family. My grandfather name is Harim. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmerette. I love my family. My name is Shravani. My mother's name is Ashwini. My father's name is Bharat. There are 5 members in my family. I have one brother. My father is a worker. My mother is a seamstress. I love my family. My name is Shreya. My mother's name is Aruna. My father's name is Somnath. I have one brother and 3 sisters. There are 13 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmerette. I love my family. My name is Purva. My mother's name is Jyoti. My father's name is Narayan. I have 2 brothers. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a vegetable seller. My mother is a farmerette. I love my family. My name is Arohi. My mother's name is Arti. My father's name is Arjun. I have 2 brothers. There are 9 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmerette. I love my family. My name is Tejal. My mother's name is Lalita. My father's name is Tukaram. I have one brother. There are 8 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmerette. I love my family. My name is Shreya. My mother's name is Ujjwala. My father's name is Abhimanyu. I have 2 sisters. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmerette. I love my family. My name is Ananya. My mother's name is Sarika. My father's name is Arjun. I have one brother. There are 5 members in my family. My mother is a farmerette. My father is a farmer. I love my family. My name is Kartik. My mother's name is Pooja. My father's name is Krishnath. I have one sister. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a Asha worker. My family is a small family. I love my family. My name is Swapnali. My mother's name is Nanda. My father's name is Ram. I have one brother and one sister. There are 11 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmerette. I love my family very much. My name is Bhagyasri. My mother's name is Sangeeta. My father's name is Nagnath. I have one brother. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmerette. I love my family. My name is Varani. My father's name is Ram. My mother's name is Sanjeevani. I have one brother and one sister. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmerette. I love my family.
Students came to know the new word farmerate, woman farmer.
My name is Pradnya. My mother's name is Amrapali. My father's name is Siddharam. I have two brothers. There are 10 members in my family. My father is a truck driver. My mother is a housewife. I love my family. My name is Vaishnavi. My father's name is Kuber. My mother's name is Ujwala. I have one brother and 3 sisters. There are 7 members in my family. My mother is a. My name is Gauradeep. My mother's name is Dipali. My father's name is Praveen. There are 5 members in my family. I love my family very much. My name is Yogini. My mother's name is Mukta. My father's name is Subhash. I have 2 sisters. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a worker. My mother is a farmerette. I love my family. My name is Vaishnavi. My mother's name is Shashikala. My father's name is Ramchandra. My brother's name is Vaibhav. My family is lovely family. I love my family. My name is Shlok. My father's name is Brahmananda. My mother's name is Chandrakala. I have 2 brothers. There are 5 members in my family. My mother is a traffic police. My father is a farmer. I love my family.
In today's school assembly, all activities were presented, but some selective activities are taken here.